Alright guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can post clips on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and get paid for a certain amount of views. And this is done what is called nowadays clipping on social media. You see these videos of creators getting these clips posted every single day, thousands a day, maybe millions a day. And people, you might think, oh, they're just posting that, just get a following, but people are getting paid per certain amount of views. Let me just show you guys what I mean. Okay, so here we go. So it's called WAP. So what people do is, so you make a new account and you go to WAP or WAP University, and you find certain creators that you enjoy watching, such as, let me just think a few, Mr. Beast, Kai Cenat, Aiden Ross, XUC, all those people. That's just what I came up with. And what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to sign up to their creator thing that someone has made and certain amount of views. So if you post a video, let's say it's a million views, some of these things that you can sign up to post for them, some of them, if you get a million views, you can get a payout as big as $4,000 to $5,000, like literally no fee. Let me just show you guys some of the places you can sign up. All right, so for example, as you can see, this guy is trying to get clips for Somesh clips. So what people would do is they will try and message someone, hey, can you promote my account? And this will get people obviously posting about him, maybe a little bit, maybe not that much, but it's people that want to get big on social media, and it's really just helping in both ways. So you get paid for posting if it goes viral, and he gets paid because he gets clients and they find out who he is. So it's like killing two birds with one stone basically. And this guy, the RPM is $2 per 1,000 views, and the max you can cash out is 10,000. So that's pretty interesting, but there's better deals for this. This one obviously is the highest one compared to this one. This is $1 per 1,000 views. So let's find one that's bigger. $3 per 1,000 views, you see? And the budget's 10,000. So some of these budgets, they go like way higher than this. This one's 18,000, $8 per 1,000. So that's a lot more, obviously, because these people are famous on social media, Silky and this guy Nick. So if you find the people that are like already famous, they're gonna pay more per 1,000 views because they're obviously gonna get a lot of views. And well, let's see the budget about this one. The budget was 18K. This one's 40K. Any content uses famous music sound. Okay, so this is a old YouTube song. It's 20 cents per 1,000 views. That's alright, I guess, but I wouldn't choose those. I would choose these. $2 per 1,000 views. Budget 50K. Is that 5K? 5K, yeah. I think you guys get the gist of it. And if you want to join, boom, you just apply, and then you start posting. And all you could do is just post. You could spam post every day. There's not a limit on what you can post. You don't have to post once a day. You can post like, if you want, 100 times a day, and one of those, I guarantee you, one of those is gonna blow up. And that's what people are doing nowadays with all these people, all these clips that you see. And literally, they get paid. They have literally their job is just posting clips. This one is 5,000. But yeah, that's literally, it's that easy. Just clip. This guy's breast scales. Boom, you apply. 10,000 budget. And obviously, the more people that join, the less you're gonna get paid, because the faster this budget is gonna fill up. So you want to join the ones. I mean, this has 24,000 views, so obviously this is getting filled up close to 10,000 by now. August 5th, yeah, that was last month. But I think you guys got the budget. I mean, the gist of it. Let me know if this helps you guys out. And I'll do more videos like this in the future. And yeah, thanks for watching.